Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy.
Welcome to Cars and Joshy. This is part 2 of the frame boxing. Now that we got the frame cleaned up on the frame rails where I'm going to be welding, and we've got some ratchet straps and the bumper installed for some reinforcement, it's time to go ahead and put some heat to this frame.
I got the first section all welded in. It's definitely not pretty, but I think I got good penetration on there. And besides, this is what pretty is for. So we'll get that grinded down, looking smooth, and then I have the second piece that I'm working on right here. I'm gonna try and tack that in there. I'm probably gonna beat it with a hammer, try and make it shape right around that, and then I'll probably use a couple holes here, and then do like a oval type shape so I can get the body bushing and stuff in there. But and then do the same thing on that side, and I'll be ready to paint it after that. Got this one tacked in. I think it's gonna work out pretty good. Once I get it a little more welded in, I'm gonna hammer these up and try and get those welded on. But this side came out a lot better than the other side. I kind of foobarred the other one a little bit, hacking away at it and all that. Maybe I should have tried to see what I can do with the frame, but I don't care. This will work. This will be fine. I'll weld it in. Had to notch it a little bit to clear right here, but I mean, I'm just gonna tack this in here and then do the same as the other stuff, and should be finished up with this today. Shit looks good to me. I figured I'd show y'all what I'm using real quick. This is a MiG 135 from Eastwood, and this is a $25 welding helmet from Eastwood. My welding setup, I spent I think less than $500 on it. The welding cart is from Harbor Freight. I think it was like $50 or something like that. I can't even remember. Probably not even that much. And then I just got some consumables, like some tips for the gun, and some of that nozzle gel. And yeah, that's it. And it's working just fine for what I'm doing here. Whoops. So yeah, don't have to spend a ton of money on a welder to be able to do this. So there you go. Alright, I took a flap disc and went ahead and smoothed it out some. I think getting ready to spray it with some primer, I guess. Let's see, look, turned out alright, I guess. Good enough for somebody that's not classically trained with a welder and have only welded 3 things in my entire life, so I'm just fine with it. It already looks a lot better, a lot beefier than that open frame. So time to paint it up. I'm just kidding. I forgot to cut my openings for my body mount to go through here. So let me go ahead and do that. I bought this thing because it was made in America instead of the Craftsman one, which is made in China. Drill bit just snapped right off. That should be plenty of room to get my body mounts in here. Okay, now I think it's ready to be painted. Yeah, it's about as clean as I care to get it. If you enjoy the content and like the videos I've been putting out, please subscribe. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.